The Dallas, Texas skyline at night is a sight to behold. The city's impressive architecture is illuminated by a dazzling array of lights that twinkle in the darkness. From towering skyscrapers to historic landmarks, the city's skyline tells a story of growth and development. The iconic Reunion Tower, with its distinctive spherical shape, stands tall amongst the other buildings, providing an unparalleled view of the city from its observation deck. As the night deepens, the city takes on a mystical quality, with its lights casting an enchanting glow that captivates all who see it. The Dallas, Texas skyline at night is a true testament to the city's vibrancy and spirit.